Okay, I'm back. Oh, good. Okay. Oh, okay. I got weapon. Epic cost. Epicness. Okay. Okay.
He's alright.
Plant the explosive man. Okay. Wow. That was some gay crap. Okay.
Find that way out!
Die.
We will plunge this vessel into the depths of hell. We cannot let either side possess this terrible weapon.
God dang, move! Wow, that was really gay. Come on. Oh, you're betrayed.
We will plunge this vessel into the depths of hell. We cannot let either side possess this terrible weapon.
Okay. Oh god. Wow, my god, of course. God, of course. As soon as I plant the explosive, a stupid exploding barrel has to freaking come and kill me. God, I'm so freaking tired of exploding barrels. God, I'm really pissed off.
We will plunge this vessel into the depths of hell. We cannot let either side possess this terrible weapon.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god.
He's right. Keep moving! This is not our war! Everyone! We stand alone!
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Go, Rasnov! Go! I had destroyed the Nova 6 shipment and prevented it from falling into the hands of the British.
Help me!
But I was a fool
Good
to
Lord,
think that the
don't
threat
leave
was
me
over.
here.
It was only after I was captured and sent to Volkuda that I learned of Dragovich's true intentions. He would die before he gives up on Nova 6. Listen to me. We are running out of time, my friend. Can you trust your leaders to destroy it? Or do you think they will use it? The flag may be different, but the methods are the same. They will use you as they used me.
No, they
You
won't.
must decide.
My
Decide
leaders
what you
are
think is worth fighting
awesome.
for. Dragovich, Kravchenko,
Stein. Almost.
Men
Must die.
Hudson's mission at Kowloon was accomplished. He had discovered Dragovich's endgame, Nova 6. A nerve toxin so deadly that if exposed, you'd be dead before you hit the floor.
Dragovich's weapon.
Go back to Vietnam, Mason. Was Victor Reznov still with you after you escaped from the MACV compound?
Reznov was with me the whole time.
Are you sure?
Yes.
North. We went north. Viet Cong. We were shut down, and Reznov even survived that. Dragovich's lapdog Kravchenko was there.
This is Hotel 9-1. We are going down in Sector Bravo, Tango 7.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Huh?
Frank, you okay?
Shit! My leg! I'm bleeding! I need some help here!
He's dead.
You're coming!
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
This is my...
Oh god, no.
We're going under!
Oh, come on. Open it. No. 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 Oh, God. What? You bitch shield. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh!
Hey, Sharp Mason, they're out there. Keep an eye on you. Dead ahead. Take cover.
Okay. Going in. Oh, God. Oh, God.
I will move to high ground to look for Krushenko's gun.
Okay.
Understood.
We'll do that.
Stay close, Victor.
Lima 9er X-ray. This is Whiskey. You out there?
Yeah, Whiskey, go.
Woods. Thought we lost you in that chopper. What's the new plan?
You clear the southeast perimeter and meet us at the rally point.
Roger. Whiskey on the way. Over. Glad you're still in the game, Woods.
The rally point is just ahead. Bowman should be waiting for us. No noise, knife only.
Great. Swimming. It's very fun.
Dragovich, Kravchenko, stop.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Understood. Stay close, Victor.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Lima 9er X-ray. This is Whiskey. You out there?
Yeah, Whiskey, go.
Woods. Thought we lost you in that chopper. What's the new plan?
You clear the southeast perimeter and meet us at the rally point.
Roger. Whiskey on the way, over. Glad you're still in the game, Woods.
The rally point is just ahead. Bowman should be waiting for us.
I wanna hug myself.
Knife only.
Hug. Oh god, oh god. Well, I'm gonna stop it here.